Hello children. Today we are going to discuss rest question of the angles exercise 2. Till question number 11 we have discussed. Now question number 12. Name all the pairs of adjacent angle in each of the following figure. Dear children, adjacent angle I have discussed. Adjacent angles, if two angles, keep in mind two angles, if two angles have common vertex and one arm common and non-common arms are on the either side of the common arm, then that is called as adjacent angle. Here we have to name all the pairs of adjacent angle, means two angle. First see this diagram and we have to name the pairs of the adjacent angle. See here angle AOB, this one, and angle BOC, this angle. This is one adjacent angle pair of angle AOB and BOC. Here OB is the common arm and two angles are BOC and AOB and they have common vertex O. Angle AOB and BOD. Angle AOB and BOD, this one. Two angle and they are the adjacent angle. Angle AOC, this angle. Angle AOC and angle COD, this angle. That is also adjacent. And angle BOC, see here, BOC and COD, this is one pair of adjacent angle. So you can write it. This is question number 12, 3, 1 and 2. You can do yourself. Now let us discuss about the other questions of exercise 2. Question number 13. Let us see question number 13. What is there in 13? Two questions are there. One I will solve for you. AOB, AOB, and here is C. This is X degree and this is Y degree. What is the question? If X is equal to 100, see here, they represents opposite rays, means OA and OB are opposite rays, means they are forming linear pair, and linear pair means their sum must be equal to 180 degree. Now our question is, if X is equal to 105 degree, then what will be the value of Y? The value of Y will be 180 minus 105, means 75 degree. So you can do it. Question number 13. Now question number 14. See question number 14. Figure is almost same. Let me see, but names are different. LOM, LOM, and here is M, and this side it is 4x, and this side it is 2x. What is the question? In the adjoining figure, angle LON and MON, angle LON and angle MON forms a linear pair. Linear pair. They form linear pair, means their sum is equal to 180 degree. Find the value of x. We have to find the value of x. Then what will happen? Therefore, 4x plus 2x will be equal to 180 degree. The region in short you will write linear pair. Now 4x plus 2x is 6x is equal to 180 degree, or x is equal to 180 by 6 and 6 3 is 18, 30 degree. So value of x is 30 degree. So you have understood, dear children. Now we will solve one question of question number 15. Let us see question number 15. What is there in question number 15? Let us discuss. Question number 15. What is there in question number 15? One of the angle forming a linear pair is 60 degree. Find the other. One of the angle forming a linear pair is 60 degree. One of the angle is 60 degree and they form a linear pair. Other angle will be equal to 180 minus 60 degree, and that is 120 degree. So 120 degree is the answer. Next question. Let me solve one more question, and question number 16. What is there? One question I will solve from the question number 16. See the diagram. It is 75 degree. This side 100 degree, 40 degree, 60 degree, x degree and 45 degree. Find the value of x. Dear children, it forms a complete angle, and you know that the complete angle is equal to 360 degree. So let us find the value of x. What does it mean? Let us start from 45. 45 plus x plus 60 plus 40 plus 100 plus 75 is equal to 360 degree, and reason is complete angle. Now let us calculate x, and 60 40 100 100 100 200 275 and 45. 275 plus 45, 550 74 11 and 1 12 and 2 1 3, 320 x plus 320 is equal to 360 degree. Now x is equal to 360 minus 320 degree. It means 40 degree. So the value of x will be 40 degree. So dear children, 16 question number first. 16 question number first is answer is 40 degree. Now let us do one question. Question number 17. Question 17. What is given in question 17? Let us discuss. One question from 17 I will solve. Name all the pair of vertically opposite angle in each of the following figure. Question 17. We have to name the vertically opposite angles A, B, C, D, and this is O. This point is O. Question is, name all the pairs of vertically opposite angle. This angle will be equal to this angle. Angle AOD and angle BOC, it forms one pair. This way, angle AOC and angle BOD, these are the two pairs of vertically opposite angle. So rest question you will do. Now question number 18. Let us solve question number 18. One question from question number 18 I will solve and rest you will do. And dear children, if you will find problem, you will write to me, I will solve and I will send the answer. Question number 18. What is there in question number 18? See here. This is given. This is U, X, Z, Y and U. Y is equal to 30 degree. Y is equal to 30 degree. Then find the value of X, Z and U. See here. What is given? Y is equal to 30 degree. Since Y is equal to 30 degree, so what will be the value of U? U will be also 30 degree. Why? Vertically opposite angle. And I have told you, if two lines intersect each other at a point, the pairs of vertically opposite angles are equal. So this is Y is equal to 30, then this U will be also equal to 30. Now, dear children, this is a straight line. See here, this is a straight line and this is 30 degree. Then X will be what? X will be 180 minus 30 degree because it forms a linear pair. See, this is a straight line, and if it is a straight line, forms a straight angle, so their sum must be equal to 180 degree. Y is 30 degree, then X will be 180 minus 30 means 150 degree. And if X is equal to 150 degree, therefore Z will be also equal to 150 degree, and the reason is vertically opposite angle. So we have find U is equal to 30, X is equal to 150 and Z is equal to 150 degree. Now last question, question number 19. From 19 I will solve one question and other will be solved by you. Let us see question number 19. One question I will solve. Let me solve question 19. 2. What is there? A, B, C and D. This is X, this is 2X. What is asked? Find the values of X in the following figure. See here, this X and 2X, two ways you can do. This is X, this angle will be also equal to X. This is 2X, this angle will be equal to 2X because they form vertically opposite angle. You can do it directly, that the sum of all the four angle will be 360 degree, or simply you can do it, it forms a straight angle. So X plus 2x must be equal to 180 degree. 3x is equal to 180 degree, or x is equal to 180 by 3 means 60. So the value of x is 60 degree. And this way we have completed exercise 2, and other question will be solved by you, and whatever problem you will find, you will write me, I will send the answers. Thank you very much.